Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed masala at home. First, gather your whole spices. You'll need about 1/4 cup of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, and 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns. Also, have on hand a few dried red chilies and a small piece of cinnamon stick. Fresh spices are key to a vibrant, aromatic masala. Make sure your pan is clean and completely dry before you begin. Now, let's roast those spices to unlock their full potential. Heat a dry pan over low to medium heat. Add each spice individually, starting with the larger ones like coriander seeds. Toast them gently for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they become fragrant and slightly darker. This step is crucial for developing a deep, complex flavor profile for your masala. Be careful not to burn them, as that can make your masala bitter. Once your spices are beautifully roasted, let them cool down completely. This is important for achieving a fine powder. Transfer the cooled spices to a spice grinder or a clean coffee grinder. Grind them into a fine, consistent powder. For an extra smooth texture, you can sieve the ground masala and regrind any larger pieces. This ensures your homemade mixed masala is perfectly uniform and ready to use. Congratulations, you've made your own mixed masala. To keep it fresh and potent, store it in an airtight container. A glass jar works wonderfully. Keep it in a cool, dark pantry, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Your homemade masala will retain its amazing aroma and flavor for up to 3 months. Use about 1 to 2 teaspoons in your curries, stews, or even marinades to add a burst of authentic flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.